It's been 6 months on the wrist for my Tudor Black Bay 58. Boy, time flies, especially when you're under stay-at-home orders. On this beautiful day, I'm going to give another look at my Black Bay 58, now that I've had some serious time with it, even beyond the honeymoon period. So stay tuned to this episode of Adventures with Time. Welcome back to Adventures with Time, my channel where I discuss my activities in watch collecting. And on this episode, I want to take another deep dive into my Tudor Black Bay 58, which I bought around the middle of December. But let me cut right to the chase. I love the Black Bay 58, and I think it's the perfect everyday wear watch. It fits into almost every wearing situation. I guess the only time I wouldn't wear this watch is when I was doing something dirty or there is a chance that it might get damaged. It certainly fits into a business casual environment such as at the office. And the Black Bay 58 is right at home in any dress-up situation, but it's just as suitable in shorts and a polo shirt. I don't think I'd wear it on the beach or when gardening or some rough wear situation. So let me dig a bit deeper as to why I think the Black Bay 58 is such a great all-round watch. First, the size. Of course, when talking about size, we need to remember that it's relative to one's wrist. For my 7 7/8 inch wrist, the Black Bay 58's 39mm diameter and 47.5mm lug-to-lug gives ample wrist presence without appearing overt. And its 12.2mm thickness allows it to easily fit under the shirt cuff. Now consider that dial. Actually, you should look at the entire face, including the bezel and case. That black dial with gold trim hour indices and gold hands gives the watch a refined look without looking too ostentatious. A look that goes just as well with wearing shorts and boat shoes as when accompanying a suit and tie. And that dark bezel is seen when needed, but blends into the overall appearance when appropriate. Now, is this the only watch that is so well-rounded? No, but when you consider the high level of finishing and the chronometer certification, not to mention the cachet of the Tudor brand, I think it's hard to find a better watch at this price. My only thought now as to how to improve this watch is to find an appropriate strap. I didn't get the Tudor strap as I didn't like the distressed leather that was used. My thought was to get some other fine leather strap. I'm currently looking for a nice deployment clasp with a sliding micro adjustment feature. Then I'll find a strap to pair with that, probably black leather. Well, maybe I'm still in the honeymoon period. If so, I hope that honeymoon lasts a long time. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.